Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about DOM, document object model. Okay, so how it will work. So when you navigating to a web page, first it render all HTML. After that it will create a document object model. So what is document object model is a programming API for HTML or XML document. It defines a logical structure of document and the way a document can access and manipulate it. So why is required, why two things are required. So when we have HTML, why DOM is required? So HTML is a markup language, okay, it's a document, so you can't do any programming on that. So to do some programming on HTML page, it create DOM. It convert all the tags attribute in a objects and it create a structure like that is shown is there. Okay, so like document is the parent, then HTML is the child of document, and like head is the child of HTML, so it create a child parent relationships. Okay, now once object is created, now any programming language like JavaScript can access those object and manipulate. Here object is nothing but our HTML element, like anything like title, head, list, drop down, anything what we discuss in our HTML section. Okay, so this DOM is created. Okay, now this DOM have 12 nodes. I'll just show this 12 nodes in here. So element, attribute, tags, and these other things are there. Okay, but there is only three important thing which we have to use, which call element, attribute, and text. Okay, so using these three things we will test our application. Thank you. And we use JavaScript and etc. Thank you.